Hey beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite gamer, JEmmieGold. So guys, in today's video I'll be taking you guys along to my doctor's appointment. My daughter has a 3-year-old doctor's appointment today, so I am on my way there and I would like to take you guys along. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, click the bell icon to get notification whenever I post a new video. See you guys.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
We are through at the doctor place. We are on our way home now. Actually, I have an appointment at my bank because I don't know why my MasterCard, whenever I want to shop in my card, it's always like telling me to go to my bank, something like that. So I have appointment with my bank by 10 a.m. and it is already 10 a.m. So, but my bank is not far. It's just like a 5-minute walk. So I'm heading now to my bank. So the kids is here. That is Jaden. That Mama say hello. Testimony. Zyke hello. Hello. So guys, see you at the bank.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh,
hey guys, so I am done with the appointment that I have from the bank. So at the moment I am heading to Liddy supermarket and DM supermarket. I want to get some things there. So how you guys doing? If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notification whenever I post a new video. So guys, see you in the Liddy and D.
Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable.
Oh yeah, go. Yeah. Zyke, hello. Strawberry? Strawberry. Strawberry. Yeah, that's my testimony. Testimony. Yeah, take it. Take it. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Bye. Thank you.
It's hopeless when you think that you lost. Oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. We will come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
Guys, you won't believe my daughter finished a full pack of strawberry. She finished it, remaining 3. And I wanted to use this to top my my porridge. Now she don't finish it, she has finished it. So this is the only one I'm left with. If you have made this far into the video, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, it's free.
No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
The few things that I got from the supermarket, I got air freshener, and I got this Greek yogurt for myself, and the roll-on. My daughter picked this up. Yeah. this one has spoiled, so I got a new one. So this is the air freshener for this. So this came with battery already, and so just going to put this in like so, and the battery will go in like this, and this one also like this. So
show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life. We're still breathing, standing up. Everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne. When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the
past breakfast and lunch, so I'm just craving for porridge. I just made myself hot porridge. You all know it's winter, so it is healthy as well. So this is what I'll be having. I'm just going to put it here and dress it up. So guys, this is my oats porridge, and this one is for my daughter, this is for me. So guys, I am done with my food, and right now I am on my laptop trying to go through my channel and also edit some videos. Guys, it's not easy being a mom, being a wife and all that. I'm not done with my chores yet, but at least hunger want to kill me, so let me just eat and relax a little bit before I will then continue with whatever I'm going to do. So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this look for this curly hair, the video will pop up just now. You might just want to watch the video. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Till I see you guys again. This is the end of this video, guys. I am tired. This is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye. Big kisses to you all.